Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to do label encoding in Python. So we have a CSV file which we had in Excel. I think it was. Let's check. What was it here? Let's check. Oh, wait, let's check data handling. Okay, this may take some time, but while this is label encoding, right? you, if I talked about, if you watched my other video about what is label encoding, right? Then you would know what this is. Now we're gonna do the code, okay? For label encoding. This is just gonna take some time. Okay, we'll just save it right now. Now, so in label encoding, I wanna print something like this. Okay, well, this is our thing we have here. This is our whole like data frame or something, like our file, what we have in our CSV file, right? I want to do the label encoding for that. Okay, for past and gender column. Yeah. So how will we do that? Let's get it. First, we have to import pandas. Uh, import pandas as PD because we need to like open that CSV file from sklearn, which will always be sometimes always actually be using this for encoding only. Pre-processing, import label encoder, yes. Oh my god. Wait, there was a little lag here. So then data which equals to the PD. So because we need to read the CSV file. PD dot read CSV. Oh, I did that right. And our name is data CSV. Data CSV. Yes. Okay, let's just for now, let's print the data. The data. Let's see. See, it's basically printing this what it has inside that file, the CSV file. Okay, so our data will need this. It's just a label, right? You can put anything. Label in encoder, and then we gotta do this. Yes. And now in the data column, we have the pass the gender because I want to find the label encoding for that. We have to use 0, 1. Gender. Okay, so gender plus some. Okay, equals to that. Fit transform the gender. I think, yeah, gender. Can we do the same thing for past? Okay. So for past, we're gonna do the same thing for past. Oh, my bad. Yeah. So this is basically saying is that it's gonna transform this data into label encoding. Now we're gonna make a function. Convert CSV. Okay, it's a function. This is not a pre-built function. This is the defined function that that you can make. You can put anything, but I'll just put something specific, like convert CSV. So data, oh my God, because we want to convert this data into data, and we want to convert this whole thing that we have here in this CSV file, data.csv, into data1.csv. So data to CSV, data1.csv. Yeah, I wrote that right. Comma index, because we don't need index like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 8, 9, 10, 11. False. So we won't put that index. Okay? And then we go out. A equals to data, because now we're doing it for the data1.csv. Not data1, my bad. Only these variables. You'll see why. Gender. And dot and is my bad is in bracket parenthesis square bracket 0 comma 1. This is for that indentation. So when we do the label encoding, it's just gonna put 0 1 dot all for all the for everything for gender. So now we do the same thing for our past. I think yes. Just have to put here past. Yeah, and now we can call this function like we need to call this function every when we need it. But right? So when we need to call this function every time when we need it. So what we're gonna do is if A and B, meaning if A and B, if this works, right, then we call the function convert CSV. It's like this. I'll just make it simple. Let's say I'm on my phone, right? I'm calling somebody, right? Like, let's say I want to call my friend. His name is Sam. If I don't know his phone number, I can't call him. So he needs to send me the phone number. Same thing here. Even though I defined this convert CSV stuff thing, if I don't call it, it's not going to work. So I need to call it by putting convert CSV parenthesis. Now we're done. So now when we run this, these not. Oh, my bad. Put B there. Yeah, it works. See? Okay. So if I believe, let's see if this works. Yeah, here's you see, that's the data1 file that's made right there. So it's not gonna write in the at the output. It's gonna write in this file. Okay? So this is the data1 that we created. The data, which is right here, which had everything which was in Donnie. So that data had all this basically, right? Had all this. But the data1 is the label encoding for past and gender. So let's go check it now. Okay, it's in Excel. Because I used Excel for this, okay? Where's yeah? See past and gender? 110000 and all. See what I mean? So 1 means yes, 0 means no. Okay? So the point of all this is basically, right? Like, how do I say this? Yes. Because label encoding, the point of all this is because the point of all this is basically to train your computer. Machine learning, which we're learning right now, basically means to just train your computer. So that's what the point of all this is. It's to train your computer. Because if you don't train your computer can't do anything. And also, another thing is, instead of me putting past and gender over here, like instead of rewriting it, I can just replace that with 0, 1. Right? You see what I mean here? So the whole point of this is not just that, but also how to train your computer, right? So that includes hardware, by the way, and software. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it, and bye. Yeah.